Assalamu alaikum and good morning, grade 3. I'm your computer teacher, Javeria. Hope you all will be good. Today is 31st August 2020 and the day is Monday. Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 4, KTurtle commands. Today we will take a start with lesson reading. So open your book and go to the page number 40 and put your finger on the lines where I am reading. We will read as well as we will reinforce and refresh our previous concept of KTurtle commands. Hi Tuggal, I have been waiting for you at your service, sir. How can I help you? The turtle is giving me trouble. It doesn't obey my commands. Hmm, let me see. Did you click the run button after typing your commands? No. No, that's the reason. The turtle is not obeying you. Forward command. The forward or FW command, as you learned in the previous chapter, is used to move the turtle in the forward direction. You need to type the number of steps the turtle has to move to use the forward command. Step 1 is type FW or forward. Step 2 is press the space bar. Step 3 is type the number of steps. For example, the command FW75 moves the turtle forward by the 75 steps and draws a straight line. When you give a forward command, the turtle moves in the direction of its head. Just like this. Forward, space, and a number. Then enter and then run. You should give a single space between the command and the number. For example, if you type FW75 and there is no space between FW and 75, then you press the run button. An unknown function named FW75 was called will appear. This is an error message. Click the Hide Error button and correct the error in the editor pane. This is the Hide Error button. Click it and then correct it in the editor pane. What you will do to correct it? You will give a space between forward and 75. Then run. Then this command will work. If you simply type FW, an error message, the FW command was called with 0 but needs one parameter will appear. Click the Hide Error button and correct the error in the editor pane. It means that if you will write only FW here and you will not write any number here and press the run command, then again an error message will appear here. Press this Hide Error button and it is necessary to write down a number here. If you will not tell the turtle that how many steps he has to move, he will not move and will give error message. For example, now I will type here 100. Then I will press the run. Now the turtle will move. Backward command. The backward or BW command is used to move the turtle in the backward direction. While the turtle moves backward by the given number of steps, its head remains pointed forward. To draw a line in the backward direction, step 1 is type BW. Step 2 is press the space bar. I have given a space here. Step 3 is type the number of steps. I have write down the number here. Suppose the turtle is at the center position. Let us give the command bw space 50. The command moves the turtle 50 steps backward. Press the run button. Okay, look. The turtle is moved 50 steps backward. Turn right command. The turn right command turns the head of the turtle towards the right. While turning, the turtle rotates but stays at the same position. The short form of the turn right is TR. To turn the turtle to the right, the first step is type TR in the editor pane, give a space bar, and third step is write down the number of degree. Write down any angle. I have written here 65. Then press the enter button and run. Okay, the turtle is moved at the angle of 65 degrees. Again, I will write here TR 100. Press enter and run. Now look here, it is 65 and now the turtle is moved at the angle of 100 degree. Command. Turn left command turns the head of the turtle towards the left. The short term for the turn left is TL. To turn the turtle to the left side, the steps are: step 1, write down TL in the editor pane, give the space bar and then write down the degree. For example, I have written here 65. This is the number of degrees. Press the enter button and then run command. Look here. The turtle is turned towards left at the angle of 65 degree. Now if I will write here reset, the turtle is again at the same position. Now I will write here TL space 100, enter and run. The turtle is turned at the angle of 100 degrees. In the same way, we can turn the turtle at the angle of 150 degree, at the angle of 180 degree, or at any other angle. The reset command is a special command that cleans up the canvas completely. You can use it whenever you want to try a new set of commands. It will bring the turtle at its original first position. The commands TR360 or TL360 would make the turtle turn one complete circle. The homework for today is read these pages from 40 to 43 5 times. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.